our vision is to enable sustainable built environment for all. What we are trying to do is we are creating an ecosystem in the country involving all the stakeholders, including the developers, builders, architects, the end users, and creating awareness for the green building concepts and facilitate the implementation of green building concepts. So the rating systems, whatever we have, they are basically tools which helps the builders and the architects and developers to incorporate all these green building features right from the design. From the benefits point of view, we can look at in two parts. One is the tangible benefits, which are very clearly quantifiable. These tangible benefits are on account of energy. When there is a reduction in energy consumption, very clearly estimate how much is the reduction in cost one can achieve. Similarly, in terms of reduction in water consumption, so this also can be very clearly quantified. So from the green affordable housing project point of view, an affordable housing project can easily achieve anywhere between about 30% reduction in energy consumption compared to the national baseline. Similarly, in terms of water consumption, as high as about 50% reduction in water consumption is achievable. In addition to that, there are many other intangible benefits as well. For an example, there would be an excellent daylighting, which enhances the comfort level for the occupants, and also the cross ventilation. There is the air movement improves the thermal comfort for the occupants. And overall, if you look at even the cost of construction of the building can also be reduced if all these green building concepts have been incorporated by design. There are many things happening from the materials point of view. There are a lot of new materials that are coming in. These materials are really green and low carbon materials, and use of these materials in the building can obviously reduce the carbon footprint and also improves the greenness, helps them in terms of improving energy efficiency, reduce the cost of electricity, etc., and also can contribute to the health and well-being. In terms of design and construction, there are a lot of developments happening. The precast concrete is something which is picking up really well. This can in fact reduce the carbon footprint and also reduce the cost of construction. What green buildings basically do is they try to optimize the consumption of natural resources as much as possible. So if you compare a conventional building vis-a-vis a green building, the green building, the energy consumption will be much lower, so the environment impact will come down. The water consumption also will be much lower. The impact on account of water consumption will come down. Ultimately, if you look at in terms of the carbon footprint, if you compare with a conventional building, the green building will have a lower carbon footprint. That is what we are aiming at. This is an excellent initiative jointly done by IIFL as well as ADB, especially to address the financial issues related to construction of green building. And it is also more apt today because this has been hosted in a green building, which is the first green building in the country. It is also a net zero energy building. A lot of initiative has been taken up by these two organizations in terms of promoting the green building concepts and also financing the right projects so that the concept can be encouraged more and more in the country. In that way, it has come out really well.